This video is about preparedness. Being prepared is the catalyst point in any situation where something can go one way or another. The scenarios you are about to see are depictions of real-life situations that show us what could be likely to happen if you're prepared versus not prepared.
What's next?
Here's a family enjoying quality time together.
Oh, I don't think that was gonna go. I think we're gonna fall over like that.
They have no idea that their life is about to change.
Hey, do you think our pizza's ready?
Let me check.
Let's see how things can change in the blink of an eye.
Yeah, I think it is. I'll be back.
You wanna play again?
You wanna go?
No, I think I'll stay here.
Okay.
Hey, wait. I love you.
I love you too.
Tell stories of what we know. It's all
When someone passes away, we never know the day, the time,
All right, baby, go get cleaned up.
or how. It can be totally unexpected. This is a very unfortunate turning point in your family's life. The toughest thing for them to have to do is move on. While there's no way to be physically prepared for an unfortunate situation, the one thing Leader's Life can do is assure that you are prepared as best as possible.
Now see, you don't want to put too much in. Just a little bit. There and there. Oh, come on.
Leader's Life Insurance is a permanent solution. While we all love our jobs, in the event that you ever have to depart from your job, even involuntarily, your life insurance is portable. It stays with you as you move on,
Burn it or nothing.
still leaving you prepared for any unexpected circumstance.
Hey, baby. Anyway, don't burn it. And now.
Hey,
Hey.
I lost my job today.
You what?
I lost my job today.
You know what? We'll be fine.
Yeah.
All right?
cracks in the storm. Head on a pillow. Asleep in your home.
So I've been looking for jobs. I just haven't.
While you're spending your time networking, applying, and searching for your next opportunity,
It's just nothing.
What about the insurance at your old job? Do we not have that anymore?
No. But there's more out there. Let's just take a look.
This can place much stress on both your individual needs as well as your family needs.
Will we have to pay out of pocket? Is that covered?
God, it's so much.
If you don't have to be worried about your family's safety, that's one less worry on your mind.
Your employer has realized something very important, and what they have realized is that the life insurance that they provide to you may have some holes. These holes could possibly be a huge problem for you. This is the problem. You do not own your insurance plan. The group life insurance that your employer provides is not geared towards serving as a long-term solution for you. If you leave the organization for any reason, you will be in a situation where you may have to find new life insurance. Sure, you can certainly go and find a plan that covers you, but the cost of life insurance at any year down the road will inevitably cost you more money. So your employer has brought us here today to help you understand key things surrounding your life insurance. Those key points we are talking about today can and indeed will protect everything you love. Now let me be clear, we are not saying that your current group life insurance is not valuable. Not owning your own life insurance plan and relying on group life only has three critical flaws. It affects your financial livelihood, it affects your family, and lastly, but certainly not least, it leaves you less secure than you thought you were. Now I think it's safe to say that you didn't get to where you are by not making smart decisions. And protecting your family is a smart decision. We will provide you with a life insurance option that you will not lose upon retirement or departure from employment. Term to 100 plans are portable and long-term. Portability is important because let's face it, there may be times when for whatever reason you may not be employed by this exact company. If that time ever comes, what you won't have to do is worry about your future. With Term to 100 coverage, you will not lose your life insurance. The coverage goes with you, the employee, the individual. Notice, I use two important words, employee and individual. These are two separate entities. Your employer has selected your current group life insurance to provide a benefit while you're employed. This means that the control over any aspects of your life insurance are decided by your employer. You as an individual don't have the ability to make decisions in regard to your insurance. Leaders Life gives you, the employee, control over your plan. Once you retire, it's very likely that people will be depending on you. Our life insurance is a sure shot way for you to carry on with providing for the folks you love. Moreover, on retirement, you won't lose valuable coverage at an older age. If you were to retire and have to find life insurance at that specific point in time, there's a very strong chance you would not find yourself insurable. With the Term to 100 plan, you will lock in the rate at your entry age. What this means is that your cost is going to be permanent as well. This is very important. You will never see a moment in time where the cost goes up. If you'll take a look at this brochure, you'll notice your age to the left. And to the right, you will notice the cost at the specific amount of death benefit associated with your current age. My personal example is that I am 57 years old, but my cost remains at age 34, which is my entry age. I will never pay more than the age 34 rate. So let's put that into perspective. If you know that this is a smart decision for you right now, look at what you would be paying. Okay, now let's say you're not decided at this moment. and you want to wait 10 years from now. Now look at how much you will be paying. Some of you may say, I'll just wait till later, perhaps around my retirement age. Now look what you'll be paying. You will be paying anywhere from 2 to 5 times as much than if you made that decision at your current age. The key is to lock in the price for now so that it doesn't cost astronomically more later. With Term to 100, there are no surprises, especially when you have a claim. There will be no change of premium prices ever. Our plans have the capability for you to access 30% of your death benefit amount without your actual death taking place. What that means is, in the unfortunate situation where a critical illness occurs, the accelerated benefit is payable to you at your time of need. And you can use that however you choose. The plan will provide a lump sum payment to you, the employee, 30% of the policy death benefit if you are diagnosed with 1. A heart attack, 2. A severe stroke, 3. Life-threatening cancer, or 4. Cardiac bypass surgery. Perhaps one of your biggest concerns is coverage for your family. Most group plans limit coverage for your spouse and children to minimal amounts. Spouses are only allowed 50% of employee coverage. Children are usually a flat amount, minimal $5,000. The Term to 100 plan does not have these restrictions. As an employee, you are allowed to purchase independent coverage on each family member if desired. There aren't any restrictions with adding your family. This is a big, big bonus. And of course, it should be noted that you, the employee, will also own those policies as well. The only thing needed to set up your family's policies is your signature. So in closing, I'd like to leave you with this. I hope this information has been informative in identifying the importance of providing life insurance for your family to protect your future years. The most important factor in choosing life insurance is really very simple. Choose a plan that will be there when your family needs it.
That's what we help you do in your life, to be prepared for anything that can go against what you have planned for your life.
You know what? We're good. Our life insurance follows us no matter what.
I hope you will consider this valuable Term to 100 coverage during your employer's one-time open enrollment period.